Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, I am going to discuss about Playwright Locators Part 4. These are some of the commonly used selectors during our automation scripting. We will see all the selectors one by one. First, I will show you how to use ID. So I will use the locator method. So now we have to copy the ID. I'll take the ID of the search box. So the ID of search box is ID search field. So I'll copy this, paste it here. So when we use ID, we have to start with the hash. So if you are going to use any ID, then you have to start with the hash. As it is a text box, I will fill the value. See, Python word is entered. The next one is name. So to use the name, we have to copy the name first. I'll go to the same search field. So here, if you see, the name is Q. So if you wanted to use the name field, then we have to copy this name Q. To use the name attribute, we have to copy the name within the square bracket. So here we have to type name equal to within single quote, you can type the name. So the name is Q. Okay, now it is executed. It is typed Python. And the next one is class name. So for the class name, we have to get the name of the class. So I'll go for the same name search field. Here the class name is search field. See, this is the attribute. So we have to copy this text. To use the class name, we have to type a dot. Like ID, we started with the hash. For this one, we have to start with the dot. So this represents class name. Okay, it is entered. And the next one is tag name. To use the tag name, we can directly give the tag name here. No need to add any hash or dot anything. So simply we can add the tag name. So here the tag name is input. If you specify the input tag name, you will get multiple input field. So we have to find out the right one. So let's see how it is working. but here anyway it is going to throw error. I'll just show you how it is selecting. The Python is centered. I think there is only one input field, I guess. That's the reason it is not failed. Yeah. And the next one is link test. So link test means there is any link available, we can use that one. So let me go with this one. Start with our beginning guide. So I am going to click this one. So right click, inspect element. So here the link test is start with the beginner's guide. So we have to copy this link test. So for that we have to use, first we have to provide the tag name colon has text within bracket within double quote. We have to specify the text. So now it will identify this anchor tag containing this text. So this is the predefined keyword has text. So we are using this one. As it is link, we are going to click on it. Yeah, that link is clicked. Python for beginners page is loaded. The same way, the next one is partial link test. So we are going to use the same keyword, but here we can specify partial text. I'll just provide only our beginner's guide. Okay. Same link is clicked. You have to be careful when you provide the text. There should not be any repeated text. Otherwise, it will return multiple element. It will throw error on here. So in that case, you have to specify nth or first or next, like that. You can use it and you can select the right one. And the next one is CSS selector. So we have to copy the CSS selector. So we have to copy the CSS selector from here. So copy selector. So here we can paste it. CSS selector also we can paste directly. When you copy the CSS selector, it copied the ID field. So if you go with some other field, so here also ID is there. So by default, it will copy ID only. So I'll go with this about field. Yeah, this one I'll copy. Copy selector. See, it copied. It started with the hash because the about is having the name about. The previous field contains ID. So it has taken as ID. So hash about, then anchor tag. So like this, it is copied the CSS selector. So this way we can use the CSS selector. So about is clicked. And the last one is xpath. So I will copy the same code again. I'll command this code. Here I have to paste the xpath. Suppose if you want to copy the xpath of learn more, you have to right click the element, inspect element, and again right click from the selected one. There are two ways to copy the xpath. One is copy xpath and the other is copy full xpath. So copy xpath will give you the relative path and copy full xpath will give you the absolute path. Relative and absolute paths are nothing. Relative path will start from the current node and the absolute path will start from the root node. So now I will copy the xpath. I'll paste it here. I will change this double quote to single quote. And also, if you wanted to specify the xpath, we have to start with the xpath equal to. Now learn more link is clicked. I will continue. The same way we can copy the absolute path. To get the absolute path, you have to right click the element and you have to copy the full xpath. Same place I will replace it. See, it started from HTML. Yeah, the element is clicked. Locate and click, locate and fill. We have already discussed regarding this. Here we are comparing the locate and click and also locate and fill. So if you see here, we discussed earlier regarding this one. Say like this statement. So we have combined both locating the element and clicking the element. The same way we can combine both locating and fill. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.